Hey team, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an Iron Butterfly auto trader using the Options Auto Trader. First thing, we'll click on the dashboard page, then we'll click on the black Create an Auto Trader button. From there we'll click on Create an Auto Trader, then we'll click on Iron Butterfly. Now we can set up the trade. Again, we can do this in a various different ways, in a variety of different ways, I should say. First, we'll click on the symbol we want to trade. Next, we'll pick on the days until expiration. And then we'll pick how we want to pick the strike prices. By default, the two options that you're selling, the put that you're selling and the call that you're selling, are both done at the money. This means the strike price that is closest to the current trading price. Because again, as in Iron Butterfly, you're doing that. Both of these have the same strike. Next, we'll pick how you want to pick this one. Again, if you want to pick it on a distance away, let's say you want to do $20 wides, then you can pick strike offset and do $20. This means that whatever strike it picks here, it will go $20 away for this put. And same here, we'll do the same thing. As a strike offset of 20, do the same. That means that whatever call it picks here, it will go $20 higher to pick that next call. So just like that, that's a pretty standard Iron Butterfly. Next, we'll pick how often we want to enter this trade, whether that be once a week or multiple times a week. Pick when we want to enter, the session or specific time, or any session if we don't care. And there's other advanced entry rules here. If we want to enter based on an indicator settings, we'll do our TradingView integration. Next, we'll pick how we want to manage these trades. So our take profit percentage, when do we want to take profit? Our stop loss, when do we want to close for a loss? And our early management for trades that we want to close early. There's other advanced settings here as well that we can click on. Next. After we've done that, we're going to set up how much money this bot is allowed to trade with. So again, this depends on the asset, depends on the trade, but whatever the amount is, we need to make sure to cover that amount so that the bot can trade with that. So if we're just placing on one trade, it says here this trade will cost about $2,000. So that means that we need at least $2,000 set aside for this bot. Now, if we want to put on more than one trade or have on more than one trade at once, then our bot needs to be able to cover the amount of money for the number of trades that we want. All right, next I'll click Save and Continue. From here, we can kind of see a summary of what we can expect. We can also see all the settings explained to us here, so we can make sure we set those settings as we wanted. Then I'll click Authorize if I agree and click Save on Auto Trader. And just like that, you created an Iron Butterfly trade.